Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is going to be on this look right here. This look is perfect for any holiday party that you might have coming up, or honestly for any event if you're just feeling a little extra. I love this look so much. I've actually worn it within the last 2 weeks about 3 or 4 times already, and I just love how it looks. It just makes any outfit that you wear. You could wear the simplest outfit, and if you put this makeup look on and like accessorize it correctly, you will look fire no matter what. So I just feel like it is, and it's actually super easy to do as well. So it doesn't really take that much time to do, but it does look like you took a long time to do it. So yeah, if you guys want to know how I got this look, then please keep on watching. So as you guys can see, today I'm starting off with my base already done. I feel like it is the same technique over and over again in every video, and I don't want to bore you guys. So for this look, I just decided to focus more on the eyes. The first palette I'm going to be using today is my palette from Catrice Cosmetics, and we're just going to be going into the shade. Let me grab my brush really quickly. I'm just going to be going into this shade right here. So I'm just blending this on the crease, and then I'm going to blend it out on the outer V as well. Also taking that and just running it on the lower lash line. Next, I'm going to be taking a different palette. I'm just going to be taking the Pretty Vulgar Nightingale eyeshadow palette. So this is what it looks like. And I'm just going to be going into this shade right here. So I'm just going to take that shade and apply it on the crease and also on the outer V. So in the same spots that we applied that first color. Next, I'm going to be taking a smaller blending brush, and I'm just going to be going into this shade right here. I'm just going to tap that on there like that. And I am going to bring it into the crease, but just the slightest bit. I'm not really going to bring it in too close to the inner corner. And we're just going to blend that out. And this is really going to give us that super smoky lower lash line that I am obsessed with. Next, I'm going to be taking the Huda Beauty Sapphire Obsessions palette. I'm going to be mixing these two shades today. I'm taking that a little bit higher than my natural lid. Next, I'm going to be taking my Violet Voss glitter in the shade Elsa. And I'm just going to be applying that right on top of this Huda Beauty eyeshadow, just because I want it to pop a lot more. Before I apply that though, I am going to go in with the NYX Glitter Primer. Next up, I'm just going to be adding a little more glitter to the lid, and I'm going to be going in with the Urban Decay Heavy Metal, and this is in the shade Glam Rock. And I'm just going to be going right over where I apply that glitter. This is just going to make it pop a little bit more. So pretty. I'm also going to be taking it on the inner corner. Next, I'm just going to be doing a wing liner. I'm just going to be taking my Maneater from Tarte, and I'm just going to fast forward through this part because you guys have seen me do my eyeliner plenty of times. So next it's time for falsies. The ones I'm going to be using today are from Lily Lashes, and I do have a coupon code for these lashes. I will be putting it right over here. These lashes though. So that is it for the eyes. Now I'm just gonna go in and finish the rest of the face, and I believe all I have to do is just highlight it because I technically did everything off camera. Today I'm gonna be using the Fenty Beauty Fairy Balm. Oh my god, this highlighter is so bomb, guys. I'm shook. To line my lips, I'm just going to be taking my Jouer Longwear Cream Lip Liner, and this is in the shade Fawn. This has become one of my favorite lip liners ever. I do have a coupon code for Jouer, it's just Melly. You guys know I always have to add a little bit of gloss. I'm just gonna be going in with Becca's Opal lip gloss. I love this lip gloss. So to finish off the look, I just went ahead and added this super dope choker that I got from Doll Skill, and I just feel like it is the perfect accessory for this look. It just makes the eyes pop so much more than they would on their own. And yeah, I just feel like it overall brings this whole icy kind of like super glam vibe to this look, and I love it. I hope you guys love it as well. But yeah, this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial, and if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. Comment below and let me know any looks that you guys would like to see next from me, and I'll see you guys on my next video.